How to connect GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. If you have hosted your website under squarespace.com and then you'd like to connect a domain that you purchased from GoDaddy, it's fairly simple to do so. First, you go to godaddy.com and log into your respective account. On the top left, go to the My Account option, and under Quick Links, select the option that says Domains. Once you select the domain option, over here you will be taken to Domain Portfolio. Now under Domain Portfolio, you will see a list of your registered domains. So simply go to that domain and make sure to copy the name server of that domain. Once you've done that, go to squarespace.com and log into your account. If you have got a certain membership within your account, you can simply go to its settings and you can go to the domain settings of your website. Once you go to the domain settings of your website, there you'll find the option to link a domain. So there, you simply want to paste the name servers that we copied from our GoDaddy domain. And once you've done that, after a certain amount of time, your new web address will be redirected to the new domain that you purchased from GoDaddy for your Squarespace website. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.